What is up, CG family?
Welcome back to another episode. So if you guys have been keeping up with us, you know that we have fully wrapped the Z on our other social media platforms. However, the last thing we do have left over is the front bumper. And before we install the front bumper, I got right behind me two new K&N air filters. So I'm gonna quickly swap out my old ones because they really need to be replaced. And yeah, let's get to unpackaging real quick. So obviously I need two because I do have a 2008. So if you guys know, K&N is one of the main sources of air intake filters. Obviously I'm going to unbox one of them since the other one's gonna look exactly the same, but this is what it looks like. It's just like the actual coupler, the air filter that goes into the air intake tube, and all you have is the I got a sticker. I got a Z1 Motorsports sticker. Hold up. We don't care about that. Where are the stickers at?
Okay.
Another Z1 Motorsports sticker. There they are. So I got two K&N stickers right there, so that's pretty cool. That's all I purchased these for. I really didn't want these anyways. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, we have to quickly install them, so let's get to replacing. So this is what they look like. I got to choose a color for the actual coupler and I chose red. I had blue, black, and red as an option. I went with red. Okay, so I'm gonna try to keep my hands off the actual inside of the intake because we want that as clean as possible. I'm gonna put these in there. And so it's quite simple. You know, I already have the front bumper off. The hard part is done for me. Now all I gotta do is use a flathead screwdriver to unscrew and loosen up the clamp and put the new one in, and then we're good to go. So let's find a flathead. As I mentioned, just quickly loosen this up. Looks like it's already pretty loose, and then
go figure.
Yeah, this is kind of scary. These are pretty loose to begin with, and we're just gonna kind of try to squeeze it out. I really don't want to take off the crash bar, so I'm gonna try to make do with what I got. If you guys don't know, the dual Stillen Gen 3 ultra long tube intakes come with the K&N air filters. That's just a part of their assembly. So this is just kind of like
those ones you're taking off are K&N.
Yeah. So this
even though it's by Stillen.
Yeah. So this is kind of just like a replacement part rather than an upgrade. Look how dirty. Yeah, we could probably clean these like you said, but man,
why not just get new ones?
The gel inside of it is so dirty, and look at the old K&N logo versus the new one.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the difference. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Okay.
But if you guys did not know, obviously we have dual throttle bodies, dual air intakes, and air filters on this car. But the original air intakes on the HRs were placed right here and here. Now the Stillens come all the way down to the front bumper, and the grill feeds right into the air intake, so it allows for maximum airflow, which is just awesome. And my hand is gonna be greasy now.
Just like how I took the other one out, I'm gonna put this one back in from under the crash bar because it fits a lot better. It's a little squeezed, but it will get there. And then I gotta rotate it. All right, it's in.
Chrissy forgot to put on the clamp or the bracket.
Yeah, of course. Rookie mistake here. Real rookie mistake.
So now she has to take it back off and put on the bracket.
I was able to squeeze it back in there, and now I am screwing on the clamp, tightening it up.
Well, you already got the second one in for the most part, and I literally just put the camera down. So that was actually pretty quick. Obviously we didn't install the entire air intake hoses on both sides and anything. We just replaced the filters, but regardless, doing the filters alone is pretty quick and simple. Just one screw in the clamp and you're done. Man, this car probably had a hard time breathing with these nasty ass things.
No, for real.
It's kind of like trying to breathe.
Talking about bad luck.
Right, with a clogged nose and tape over your mouth is what this is like.
All right, and we're done.
That quickly.
So I'm keeping the clamps, I'm keeping my stickers, but I am throwing away my old air filters and the rest of the trash, I guess.
Wait, I want to step on one just for the heck of it.
Why would you?
I was really wanting to try this. Ow!
Oh my gosh.
Look at all that crap that came out from it. That's nasty.
They've just been needing to be replaced.
Ugh.
Like, they've been terrible in terrible condition since I got the car. So finally glad my car has brand new air filters, as you can see.
They look really good.
Yeah, I agree. But I guess we're gonna close off this video right now because we are installing some lights.
We're gonna be installing neon underglow.
No, don't say that.
It's gonna be in the coming videos, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But the very next video is going to be what?
The official wrap reveal of the 350Z, because we are finishing it all off today. Of course, as I mentioned, I wanted to get this video out so I can update you guys, and I was quickly swapping out my K&N filters, so might as well just record it.
Yep. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching, and
Peace out. Please give this video a like, and we'll see you in the wrap reveal video.
yes, that's gonna be a good one, so stay tuned. Peace.
I don't know if I should record.